How you guys feeling? The beard hasn't gotten trimmed in some and some wheat. I'm tired. There, that's better. What's up, guys? I just wanted to say hey to whoever might catch this tonight. I'm kind of in a funny mood after this seminar camp thing. One of my students, Taichi students, went with me, and now I have this feeling where I want to, well, get more students, online or offline, and find, instead of, I've been, messing around different ways, trying to make things open for a lot of people, and then I make it closed, and then open, and then closed. But after camp this year and hanging out with my Taichi teacher and listening to his stuff and reading stuff, I'm thinking that I'm going to go the smaller, closed group and start teaching people things and stuff, I guess. Anyhow, I'm tired. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let me throw some random clips at the end of this. Peace out.